Hello, my name is Greg Horvath. I'm a product applications engineer for the power management products at Peregrine Semiconductor, located in San Diego, California. Peregrine was purchased by Murata a little over 2 years ago, and what we offer as a company is our expertise in semiconductors and Murata expertise in passives such as inductors, capacitors, and packaging and manufacturing. What we're showing you today here at the APEC show is 3 demos. One is a half-bridge driver that we have. The other is a Class D amplifier. And then we'd like to show you an isolated transformer driver. We have entered the power management market with our first product being a half-bridge driver. It's a high-speed GaN driver. And what it does is it can switch up to 33 megahertz. It has a propagation delay of 8 nanoseconds and a rise and fall time of roughly typically 1 nanosecond. This is the device here. And I'm going to show you a quick demo of what's actually happening. So this device uses our PE29100 GaN driver. It's driving right now 2 GaN systems transistors, GaN transistors that is, and what we're doing is we're showing the frequency of operation starting at 5 megahertz and transitioning up to 8 megahertz at a load of 8 amps. So the key thing here is the frequency that we can operate at using our SOI process. We can really offer a fast switching frequency, and that allows the user to reduce the size of the magnetics and really come up with a concise and a new design. So here you can see the efficiency curves and operating at the higher frequency. And perhaps here you can see the small inductor that we're using. I don't know if you can focus in on that. This certain product here is a PWM controller and driver integrated into one IC. So it's also driving some GaN systems transistors, and it is integrated to produce a full DC-DC converter with 12 volts input, can do up to 40 amps output, and is ideal for the small DC-DC power management applications. What we also have to show at the APEC show is this isolation, this transformer driver, which is basically a DC-DC driver in itself with capable of doing 3 volts in, 5 volts out, or in this case, 5 volts in, 5 volts out. And you can see the transformer in the middle. Our plan there is to integrate that into an even smaller package in the future. And the other thing we're showing today is a Class D driver. This is actually an integrated audio amplifier using Class D technology. And what we're showing here is you can see these big yellow objects. These are the typical inductors that they use for Class D applications, say operating at 250 kilohertz. What we can do with our high-speed technology, you can see there's a small black thing next to that yellow. That's a smaller inductor. This is operating at a switching frequency of 5 megahertz. So we can really reduce the size and keep the same performance using similar technology but at high frequencies. So really that's what we're here. Peregrine and Murata have also recently acquired Arctic Sands, and they offer an even more exciting technology which uses charge pump technology. So our plan in the future is to come up with more innovative products that we could show you and to the market. Again, I'd like to thank the Power Systems design people and the readers of their magazines for watching this demo, and thank you so much.